Hi, I'm Levan from Whisky, and today we're gonna unbox the Macallan Estate 2019. The specialty of this Macallan is that the barley for it is grown in the Macallan Estate itself, and the whiskey is distilled once per year, so this bottle is really a limited edition. Okay, so let's open it. The box for this bottle is really huge and very heavy, and the reason that it's so heavy is that the front side of the box is made from the hand-cut slate. That's why this white box has inside this soft thing not to break the stone. Yeah, it's really very heavy. So you see this black thing here, it's inlay of hand-cut slate, and the text on this stone, on the slate, is made of iron. Okay, let's see the bottle inside. The bottle also looks really amazing with this belt and this huge bottom side made of glass. And the bottle itself is really very heavy. The whiskey is 43 ABV, and on the box, here inside the box, you can see the Macallan Estate where the barley is grown. And let's see what they say on the back side of the box. The Macallan Estate is the whiskey maker's tribute to our heritage and home. A unique opportunity to experience a single malt containing a proportion of rare spirit made from our precious estate-grown barley, usually reserved for our most exclusive variants. Our 485-acre estate is set within the legendary Speyside region of Scotland, which has been our home since 1824. The barley fields are on the banks of the River Spey and are overlooked by our iconic distillery. Our estate-grown barley is distilled just once a year over a single week, creating an extremely rare and precious spirit. Yeah, and here is also whiskey maker's notes about aroma and taste. So the aroma is wood spice and dried fruits with sweet lemon, banana and caramel. Palate is soft and warming with a wood spice, candied raisin and fig, and delicate fresh citrus. Finish is sweet with a citrus twist. Okay, so that's the Macallan Estate from 2019. I'm not going to open and taste this bottle in this video. I will do the video for this tasting next time, so don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.